The global cybersecurity skill gap is widening, leading to an unprecedented demand for experienced identity security professionals. To address this challenge, Saviynt has launched Saviynt University, which provides self-paced access to training and certification programs in identity security. We believe that this initiative will significantly reduce the barriers to entry for IT professionals to move into the field of identity security. The objective of Saviynt University is to educate over 100,000 university and early career IT professionals on cybersecurity fundamentals, identity security, and Saviynt's industry-leading solutions.
At Saviynt, we're dedicated to nurturing talent in the field of identity security and providing valuable education resources to everyone. To support this, we're offering free foundational training and certification in identity security at no cost. We aim to help individuals launch their careers in an exciting and innovative industry, paving the way for a safer future.
This certification serves as a gateway to our high-stakes professional certification tracks, therefore enabling participants to explore further and learn deeper about our product offerings. Whether you are a university graduate excited to enter the cybersecurity industry or a working IT professional looking to switch careers and advance in this crucial field, this opportunity is ideal for you. So, come join us in this initiative at no cost. Together, we can transform cybersecurity industry.